In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change colors mid-row in half double crochet. Color changes happen a lot as we crochet, so this is a really great skill to have in your back pocket. To make a very smooth and neat color change, our color change actually occurs one stitch before the stitch we want to change colors in. So let's go ahead and mark a stitch. Let's say our pattern is telling us that this particular stitch is where we want to switch colors. So we're going to crochet up until one stitch remains unworked before that stitch marker, or before that stitch we want to change colors in. So I'm simply going to half double crochet across my row until one stitch remains unworked before the stitch we want to change colors in. All right, so that one stitch is remaining unworked, and what we're going to do is we're going to start that stitch, but we're not going to finish it. So for our half double crochet, we yarned over. We're now going to insert our hook into that last stitch, and we're going to draw up a loop. And we're going to stop there, and we're now going to grab our new color, and we're going to complete the stitch with our new color. So yarn over with that new color and complete your half double crochet. We've now successfully switched colors, and so in our next stitch, we will be starting clean with our new color. So we can go ahead and remove our stitch marker, and we're going to make a half double crochet into that next stitch. And for this first stitch after our color change, I like to go ahead and crochet over my tails just to secure them. So make sure when you insert your hook into that stitch, you're going under those tails and crocheting over the tails. We've now successfully changed colors, and if you're not going to be using that old color for a while, you can go ahead and snip it. And we can now finish our row in our new color. Hold your tails out of the way because you don't need to crochet over those ends anymore. And we're just going to finish the row. All right, so we've completed our row. And to even out that color change stitch, you can go ahead and gently pull on the tails to even out the tension so it blends better with the rest of your work. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to change colors mid-row and half double crochet. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already and would like to, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!